couch. No more of that ridiculousness. So we're rested, we're fired up, and we're ready to go. We only got a couple days, but I'd really like to get the insulation finished in the ceiling. Collar ties up along the peak. We're gonna get some significant snow load here in the next coming months. And that was always the objective, to get them collar ties on before we have any significant weight on this roof. I have to button up these edges along the gable ends on both ends. We got spray foam we need to finish up in the loft. And then we could put the pink stuff in the ceiling. We got lots of stuff to do. Let's get rolling.
Tell everyone what these are going to be for.
These are pieces that are going to go up on the gable ends and fill in the gaps. I'm sure there's a better way. That should have been covered up with OSB, but I didn't do it. Probably should have went up the rafter.
Pieces of wood for you.
Thank you.
Before I go.
Why you brought that whole thing up? I don't even know where I mean quite a few of them, but
Guys, that was really heavy.
this.
I carried up that whole box right there of nails. Up the giant hill.
I only needed 3 nails.
Uh-huh.
The whole bucket.
He has all these hurricane ties, and he said that each one needed 10, and we've got like 10 of those. So that's 100 nails. 100 nails.
12, maybe 120 on that side and 120 on that
Yeah,
side.
that's why I brought the whole box up, you bone. We are going to be putting these in by all the rafters, the hurricane ties. Make the roof a little more secure. So I'm going to lay these out for Jason, and he is going to come through and hammer them. 10 nails each. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
put that one too low. So that's where that's supposed to go, right there. That one. Get in the way. That'll get in the way of the wood when we put the wood.
Yep, okay. So we'll have to redo this one. This is the incorrect way to do it right here, guys. Incorrect way. Don't. Remember, we are not a how-to channel, guys. We are a how not to. Just follow us for less.
Or what happens when you think you can build a house because you watched enough YouTube.
We're making baby steps, guys. It's gonna be warm and cozy in here soon. The roof is gonna be safe and secure. Gonna
Everyone should be happy. We're gonna have collar ties up top, which aren't the best. But we also have loft. The loft is holding the walls together, and collar ties, and this.
And the hurricane ties. So our roof should be super duper secure.
And we have steep pitch, so all the snow should
hopefully slide off of it this winter. We shall find out here.
taking forever. I got it.
I had to film myself doing a little hard work. Good, right? We got all the insulation up here in the loft done, guys. Woohoo! Got all the R19 insulation up today on the back half of the cabin over the loft because that was easy to do. So we got that. Jason might say it's a little too warm in here now. We don't need the wood stove.
Yep, just gonna take the wood stove down. We just got the insulation in the loft done and the ceiling.
7 to go.
So
those ones will be a little more difficult.
on the ladder.
So thank you guys for following along with us today.
Yep, we got a lot of little projects done today.
Got the foam in.
Got the spray foam.
Got the this in the gable ends like Jason showed earlier. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, comments, etc. We're growing, exciting. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. We're excited about it. Welcome, welcome.
All right, turn around and give us a butt shot, because that's apparently what you have to do to
I can't do
turn
it.
around and pucker your butt. All right, guys. It's dark in here. It gets dark at 5 o'clock, so.
All right, guys, thank you. Here comes the happiest old dog. He may have a hard time walking around today, but look at how happy that puppy is. Hi, good boy. Come here. Ben, Ben. Hi. Hi, my precious boy. Come on, let's go. Let's go back up to the cabin, boys. Come on. Come on.